Hello students, today we are going to learn angle sum property of a triangle. Chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties, class 7 mathematics. So we need to find what is the sum of three angles of a triangle. For this I have taken one paper and let us draw one triangle using ruler. So any triangle I had to make, any triangle of any measurement, whether acute, obtuse, right, whatever, we have to take one triangle. So let's take one obtuse triangle only. So this is an obtuse angle triangle. So let us give the name, and giving the name inside, and this one be A, this one be B, and this one be C. This one is C. Now doing color, so that we have to cut it and we have to find out the sum. So let us do the color for C first with green color. This is C1. So let us just make one zigzag like this. So this is C and we have colored it green color. Now take another one B1 and different color. Let us take another orange color. So let us expand it some more so that B will cover exactly. So this is B1, and you can also do some zigzag so that when we cut it, we will get the measurement. Now let us do another color, that is red color with A, and we need to prove that what is the sum of all these three angles when we cut it and when we join all these angles in one line. Then what will happen, we have to see that. So this is the third angle, and again let's make one zigzag. So there are three angles. Now we are going to cut these angles. So let's cut. So I have cut the triangle. Now we are going to cut the angles. अब ये सारे angles हम cut कर देते हैं, angle A, angle B और angle C, and then we'll get angles. So let's cut. So we got three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Now let's join in a one line. So let's draw one line first of all, and then we are going to paste it. Let us see what will happen. So after drawing a line, just mark one point O. This is the point O. Now we are going to paste one by one all the three angles. So let's paste. So first one, angle A. So let's paste it around the vertex. So this is vertex, and let's paste it. So this is A. This is A. Now paste B1 also. At the vertex we have to paste. So this is B1. So this is B completed, and the last one, what left? C. So this is the last one. Now see this one as C. So we have to take care while pasting. Okay. So what we are getting, हमें क्या मिल रहा है कि all the three angles in the same line. This is A, this one B and this one C, all are in the same line. This all three angles are meeting it here at the O point, and we know what is the measure of a line. एक line का measure कितना होता है? 180 degree. Therefore we have concluded, therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. That means the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. And even you can do this experiment. आप भी इस experiment activity को कर सकते हैं. अलग अलग triangle ले लीजिए, acute angle, obtuse angle और right angle triangle, कोई सा भी triangle ले लीजिए. Every time what you will observe, आपको क्या मिलेगा? That the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now we are going to prove it also by one more way. हम x triangle property that we have studied, so let's prove it by x triangle property also. So let us again draw one triangle. This is one of the triangle. This is a triangle we have made. And now let us name it again ABC. ABC. And this is the x triangle. So give this name 1 and this one as 2. This one is 3 and this one is 4. And this is the x triangle ACD. Now let us prove this, that the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree with the help of the exterior angle property. And we know what is exterior angle. What is given to us? Given triangle ABC हमें given है. And ACD is an exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle of the triangle, one of the exterior angle of a triangle. And we need to prove, हमें prove करना है, that the sum of three angles, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 हमें लाना है. So let's start the proof. And we know exterior angle, the exterior angle of a triangle equals to, जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता है वो किसके इक्वल होता है? सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. सो दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल और ये जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है वो किसके इक्वल होगा? दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट. सो विच आर द इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट? दिस फर्स्ट, दिस वन एंड सेकेंड, दिस वन. सो इन दोनों के सम के बराबर होता है एक्सटीरियर एंगल का. सो वी कैन राइट एज पर द एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, एंगल 4 इक्वल्स टू angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4 exterior angle है. Exterior angle equals to sum of two interior opposite angles. So exterior angle property that we have studied in the previous videos. Now if I add the same number to both the sides, then the equality will still hold. अगर हम कुछ भी ऐड कर देते हैं, दोनों साइड एक ही नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो इक्वालिटी स्टिल होल्ड करती है. तो हम एंगल 3 दोनों में ऐड कर देते हैं, एडिंग एंगल 3 बोथ साइड. दोनों में हम एंगल 3 ऐड करते हैं. सो एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3. हमने दोनों तरफ क्या ऐड कर दिया? Angle 3 we have added on the both the side. Here also we added angle 3. यहाँ भी हमने angle 3 ऐड कर दिया और यहाँ भी हमने angle 3 ऐड कर दिया. We have added angle 3 both the sides. Now if you see carefully, 4 plus 3 they are adjacent angles and known common arms are opposite rays. So their sum is 180 degree. Equals to angle 1 we can write angle A. Angle 2 we can write angle B and angle 3 we can write angle C. So why? Linear pair. That's because of linear pair, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So linear pair. So now therefore finally we got, हमने prove भी कर दिया. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So we have done in two ways, by giving proof also and we have done practically also. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.